What is GAPS diet? GAPS stands for Gut and Psychology Syndrome Diet. It was developed by Dr. Natasha Campbell McBride. She's a neurologist and nutritionist in England, and she was trying to heal her son from autism, and that's how she developed this diet. It is an anti-inflammatory diet. It has stages to it. And the first stage is a soup diet, which you can't do any grains in this soup, only grass-fed, pasture-raised meat and organic green vegetables. And as you go through this diet, you keep adding on every stages. And going through these stages, you have to watch for the symptoms coming back. For example, if your child has eczema and you start the stage 1, which is only soup diet is allowed, and your child starts getting itchy again, when you introduce another new food in stage 2, then you have to go back down to stage 1. We've done this diet with my children and myself for 2 years. And the first 3 months, as soon as we went back, we moved forward to stage 2, we had to go back to stage 1 because all the symptoms, tummy aches, joint pain, eczema would come back. The second stage, and you're going to add one by one more and different type of food. The second stage, for example, you add egg yolk, and for example, you add fermented food. As we go through, you add vegetables and then fruit. And then when you're ready to come off the GAPS diet, you also have to do it very slowly. And with this anti-inflammatory diet, the idea is if you heal the gut from the leaky gut, from the overgrowth of bad bacteria in it, you can heal the body from most variety of chronic disorders. It's a very complete diet, but it's not an easy diet to do. But it is doable. You know, my sons, one was 5 and one was 8 when we started, and we successfully got through it. We started on Valentine's Day in the name of love, and we finished on Valentine's Day 2 years later. And my children's asthma allergy have completely eliminated with this diet.